Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're right in the HRC with High Road Comics, and today is my first video in a week. I've been really busy, really tired. I didn't even get to show you my San Diego Comic-Con pickups, except for that Stranger Things, which is sitting in the same spot since I put it up there. Let me fix this green screen. But this, I just had to show you, it's one of them. Anyway, that's not what I'm here to show you. I got my FUNKO TIKI FUNKO shop. So it was the Tiki Friday. Let's go ahead and check it out. I've already pre-staged and opened the top. And good thing I opened the right side, otherwise I would have been a little pissed. Because if you see, I already know I got a Freddy. Wait, they're all three Freddys. There's no top, so that's kind of weird. So let's go ahead and check it out, and stay tuned after I show you my Fun Day pickup. I'm going to show you what I got from Amazon Marvel Collector Core box. Came in pretty quick. Yeah, haven't opened that one either. So these are surprises, I promise. Pre-stage. So check it out. Right here, it's Freaky Tiki Fun Days. Come join us on FUNKO Island for a night of song, dance, and adventure. Wish I could have gone, couldn't. Forgot to buy the tickets actually. I'm sure I would have got them, but I did go to San Diego Comic-Con. So let your imagination run wild as the island's inhabitants perform and delight before your very eyes. Wow! And the mightiest freaky tiki of them all, King Funkona, shall be the final judge to determine if the island's visitors shall receive the ultimate prize. So bring your true Funko spirit and join us on the quest for Freddy Idol. Funko. Do you think I got Freddy Idol? Probably not. But check it out. This is actually pretty cool. Check out my video from last year when I did the Stranger Things locker unboxing. I still have that. This is what I'm going to put on display right here on the table. Let's go ahead and check it out. See what I got. I'll see. Okay, here. I will turn it this way, and you'll see what I got first. I know now that I got yes, Freddy Funko. Yes, Child's Play 2. It's Freddy Funko as Chucky. This one's limited to 5,000 pieces. Check it out. You got Chucky holding a knife with Freddy Funko and his crown. Should I take it out of the box? No, I won't do that. But check it out. Box of Fun 2019, 5,000 piece exclusive. If I don't get 2020 and 21 and 22, I'm going to be so sad. This is actually the only one I wanted. Actually, I wanted the one that was limited to, I think, 6,000. I don't know. There's a bloody splatter one. I don't know. Funko Special Edition. Check it out. Funko. Freddy Funko as Chucky. Freddy Funko as Chucky. Freddy Funko as Chucky. Special Edition. Child's Play 2. And that's that. And that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that down. Let's see what I got next. We'll look at it together. Freaky Tiki. Ooh, what's that? Surfer Freddy. I think this is one of the 5,000 ones. You got Surfer Freddy Special Edition. Bam. Oh, limited to 6,000. We got Freddy. I think I'm going to post this one. But check it out. Surfer Freddy vinyl figure Special Edition. I'm just happy I got Chucky Freddy. Ooh, let's not spill the last one, whatever it is. So, with my guess, all my friends and all their friends, I think I got a, oh, check out the bottom of the box. I think they got, it's probably going to be a Rick and Morty Freddy, which is cool. I love Rick and Morty. So let's go ahead and check it out. I'm going to go ahead and show you. What did I get? I got 3,000 piece Freddy Funko Surfs Up the Joker. Never thought I would have got it. Look at that. Look at the reflection. Okay, so because I have the green screen on, you can't see that surfboard is actually green. But wow, how cool would that be? How cool would that be? And the hair is green. I'll hold it far away. Actually, hang on. Let me turn that filter off so you can see it in all its glory. Filters. Excuse me. Actually, no. You know what? Whatever. You know what? Here. You can see it on the preview. Yeah. Shoot. Sorry. Yeah, you got Freddy Funko, limited 3,000 pieces. Freddy Funko, Surfs Up the Joker. Freddy Funko, The Batman. Classic TV series? Yup. Freddy Funko. Freddy Funko. Freddy Funko. Alright. Since I've been eating up a lot of your time, let's go ahead and just, man, I'm so happy I got that. I got 2 out of 3 good ones. Alright, so Spider-Man Far From Home, Marvel Collector Core. This is what I call a fantastic Funko Friday. 3 F's for alliteration. The box is so small. It was actually in a small Amazon box, but that's okay. That's okay. $30, same price, smaller box, whatever. Ooh. Let me see. Oh, I see what's underneath. So check it out. I got this sling bag, Midtown School of Science Technology. It's super cheap, but you know what? I'm gonna use it to put my dirty clothes at the gym and carry it around. And ooh, yeah. All right. Squeaky chair. What else did I get? I got a sticker. Badass. You may remember it from the movie. Oh, it's a decal, excuse me. I'm gonna put it on my car. Check it out. Spider-Man Far From Home. I just showed you what the hell was in there. Dumb. Super dumb. The next one is the 80 Years box. Can't wait to get that. But let's go ahead and check it out. You already know I got 2 pops. But first, the hacky sack. Ooh, hacky sack. Oh, check it out. Hacky sack. I'm gonna play hacky sack. And that's actually cool. It's better than one of those squishy balls when I got that Venom box. But, oh, check it out. Looks like there's 2 pops left. You already know what they are. Hopefully you weren't paying attention. I'm boring you. Hopefully not. Man, all this green and blue. But check it out. We got Spider-Man borrowed jersey. I don't even remember that from the movie. I'm gonna put spoilers in the tag. So if you're watching this, hopefully you already saw Spider-Man Far From Home. One of my favorite Spider-Man movies ever. Right after Homecoming. Sorry about the green screen. It's kind of weird. But yeah, borrowed jersey, Peter Parker. Cool. Oh, I remember when oh, duh. Alright, and this is BA. Stands for awesome. But check it out. There's a lot of green in here. Unfortunately, you'll see he's holding green diamonds. It's one of the light up ones. I know Walgreens had that light up Spider-Man, which I never got to get, but I wish I had it. But check it out. Oh, green. You know what? That's it. I am turning off this filter. Yes. Ooh, hello there. Welcome. We got Mysterio. Lights up. Ooh, wow. If the battery runs out, I'm gonna have to take it out of the box. Box Mysterio. Check it out. Oh, careful. This is probably the best box MCC has had since they went to Amazon. Loved it. Love it. You know what? Since I turned off the green screen, check it out. We got Freddy Funko, Box of Fun. And yeah, that's all I got. I got a special video I'm probably gonna film right after this upload for Saturday, and then I promise I'm gonna get to those SDCC pickups, even though I actually sold some already. But yeah, this is High Road Comics, and I'll see you at the next stop.